Welcome to Trevi at Bay Lake, a gated community of just 24 custom homes featuring a private community dock and boat ramp with access to Bay Lake, a private ski lake in the heart of Old Carrollwood. This custom-built 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home offers 4,411 total square feet under roof and is located in Flood Zone X, with no flood insurance required. A brand new 50-year tile roof was installed in May 2026. The 3-way split floor plan includes a private office with lake views, formal living and dining rooms with 12+ ceilings, and a family room with a gas fireplace and surround sound. The kitchen features an island, breakfast bar, double ovens, 2 warming drawers, and ample cabinet and counter space. The owner's suite includes French doors to the lanai, 2 walk-in closets with custom shelving, and a spacious bath with custom crystal sinks, makeup vanity, walk-in shower, floor-to-ceiling tile, and private water closet. 2 secondary bedrooms share a full bath, while a 4th bedroom with its own bath is ideal for guests or multi-generational living. Additional features include porcelain tile throughout, surround sound in most rooms and on the lanai, a screened pool and spa, covered lanai, oversized 3-car garage, and double driveway. Recent updates include partial hurricane impact windows, 2018, electric roll-down hurricane shutters, Crimsafe hurricane screens, screened pool enclosure, full lanai screening, 2 HVAC systems, 2024 and 2020, and a whole home generator. Conveniently located near Tampa International Airport, International Plaza, Mabry Highway, Veterans Expressway.